Hey.
Yeah, I got a babe, but I left that nigga at home.
Bald head hoe shit. Bald head hoe shit. Bald head hoe shit. Yeah, bitch. Bald head hoe shit. Bald head hoe shit. Bald head.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. I'm looking very crazy right now because I'm about to do some jumbo. We want to see what it comes out to be because I don't really know what it's going to really be. We're going to attempt to do this method. Hopefully I can do it. But the reason I am doing this is because when you have natural hair, you really aren't supposed to manipulate your hair every day. And then since I've been washing my hair to get the product out of it, since when my hair is like product filled, it gets heavy and it just looks like, so me washing my hair constantly, it pretty much makes my hair, you know, fade. I have red hair, so it's gonna fade. So I'm just like, you know what, I don't even got time for that no more. I only got 2 daggone packs of braiding hair. So let's just see how this goes. You know, subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff, and let's just get into that. Jhene Aiko, she has these big jumbo braids, and at the end it's kind of bohemian where like the braiding hair is out and it's giving a nice little curly vibe. So I'm going to try to replicate that. First thing I'm gonna do is part my hair. My mom, she already parted like the separation between the front and the back, so she did really good with that. I don't know if you guys can see. I got my mirror right here and I pretty much look in the back every so often to see how it's looking. And then I do have my handy dandy rubber bands because I am going to do the rubber band method for the back portion of my hair. So with the picture I'm looking at, and her part looks like it's going this way, like a little bit over, and then sloop. Husband smacked them, whacked them. Okay, so this, I thought it was long in the packet, but look at how long this is. You can't even see it. It comes down to my daggone knee. To my knee. From here to my knee. Got some scissors. Let me cut this. Boom, we're gonna put that one right there. Yeah, I think we might have enough. I don't know. Do like this and pretty much stretch the braiding hair so it's not blunt straight across. If we weren't in quarantine, I would have been to the beauty supply store. But since we're in quarantine, I gotta stay in the house. And I have 3 sections just like that. This one has a whole full piece. This side over here I broke into 2. I'm grabbing the rubber band and I'm going to take the bigger section of the braiding hair and go under, cover the rubber band. Can you see that? Hopefully you can. Hopefully it's HD enough. And then keep going under. Get some of this Blueberry Bliss gel. Slather that up on there, and then kind of do like a loose braid, like not braiding it as tight as I've been doing because it's not, she's not giving like flowy and I want her to give flowy, so kind of doing like a little loose braid. Take my Blueberry Bliss, use a little bit on each section of my hair. I put the middle piece down the hair goes over top of the middle piece, the braiding hair, and then it's going to go under these two sections on the outside. When I was looking at the video, like I had to study this video that I'll link in the description box, but she did like this first. Like she pretty much braided it like this, and then she added in the extra hair. So I'm gonna try that. That was kind of low-key janky. I'm not even gonna lie. We're gonna see how it looks though. Ooh, no, it looks terrible.
I can't do it like that. I can't.
Put this here. And then put this here. Go under with that outer piece that was right here. Underneath the middle. And then under again, and then under again, and then I just separate the hair so that it can have some in the middle as well. Okay, bullets. And I'm going to finish the ends of my hair because now the ends look like this. But with Jhene Aiko, hers are like wavy. Why do I do that? Wavy? I'm trying to think. Let me put my Lotta Body on first. I'm gonna use some of the Lotta Body and go around and put this on. Y'all, I don't know. I still don't know what this does. And I'm gonna scrunch it into the braids as well. And I don't want my hair to be oily right now because I'm about to do my edges. But I am, every night I'm gonna put this on. This is the Do Grow. I actually need to look into getting some grease. Y'all know back in the day, that's what we used. We used grease. Wasn't about no oil. It was grease. For my edges, I'm about to use Main Choice and some of the Got To Be glue. This is a Got To Be glue that I like to use. This one is the clear kind. So right now I'm using the Got To Be glue. This is, no, I'm sorry, I'm not using the Got To Be glue. I'm using the Main Choice Edge Control first, and then I'm gonna put the Got To Be glue on top of it to really slick it down. All right, so I ended up doing this side and putting it in hot water, and look at how it looks. So I'm about to do flexi rods instead. I feel like this would be better, and when I looked at hers again, it did, like it had a little curl. All right, so let me go ahead and flexi rod this. Say hey, oh. So yeah, this is how it came out. Let me show y'all too much. So yeah, these are how the ends came out. I don't know if you can see it, but these are the ends. This is a vibe. This is like a effortless bohemian vibe that I'm just like feeling right now. Yesterday I told you guys that I was gonna fix the ends on this side, and it looks so much better. So if you guys mess up like I did, all you have to do is brush this out, like comb it out, and then put it around the flexi rod, and don't dip it all the way into the hot water. Take a spoon and pour it over top of the ends. When I say the ends, like you should only be wetting this part and down. Why? Because if you go up, it's gonna look like that. Now that part I cannot really fix, like that's just gonna have to sit like that. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you guys did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny so you guys can see how this picture came out. Like, you can zoom in and zoom all that good stuff, you know. Oh yeah, I did a TikTok for this. So if you guys want to see how that came out, then go ahead and follow me on TikTok at naturally.sunny. And yeah, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.